How about a little dinner music?
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States is currently being transported to a secure location, and will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information for the public in assigned areas. This is WKDK. We will continue to serve the Newberry, South Carolina area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The phone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Defense. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 10 RS-28 Sarmat nuclear missiles from Russia. 5 of the missiles have been intercepted, but the 5 remaining missiles are on course to the following locations. The first missile will hit Raleigh, North Carolina in 45 minutes. The second missile will hit Tallahassee, Florida in 40 minutes. The third missile will hit Chicago, Illinois in 35 minutes. The fourth missile will hit New York City, New York in 30 minutes. The fifth missile will hit Los Angeles, California in 25 minutes. Everyone within a 500-mile radius of these cities should seek a fallout shelter now. Bring food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, a phone charger, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for your stay in the fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take 1 minute after impact for fallout to spread across the area. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, the National Guard will lead you to one. Emergency update. The President of the United States has approved the launch of 10 LGM-35 Sentinel nuclear missiles at Russia. These missiles will impact Russia in the next 30 minutes. At this time, all EAS alerts will now be transmitted to 420 FM. Tune to this station on your radio.